Heave, ho, heave.
Hey, Sully, what's up?
Hi, Diva. I brought you some hot dogs for lunch.
Sully, those need to be cooked.
I know that. I was gonna cook them at lunchtime.
You don't have time to cook those. We have safety training today.
Fine, I'll eat them all by myself.
Oh, no. How did that happen?
Oh, that mean old Diva. I know that you need to cook hot dogs.
Hey, mister, can Ruffy and me watch?
Eat it, kid. You shouldn't be in here.
Oh, Ruffy, you silly dog.
Hey, Skipper, I brought one of those red carrots I was telling you about for lunch. Sounds great. Where did those come from? Oh, let's fix this all over again. Not again? What? Hey, don't you dare! Don't. You're gonna get it now, mister. Kinda shoddy work there, Skipper. Leave me alone. Hey, where's my lunch? Oh.
Construction worker Bob always makes sure he has his hard hat on when he's in a construction zone. And he wears a dust mask when he's doing dusty work.
Surrender, little man. Your army is no match for our forces.
I am your new leader.
Get up, you lazy dogs, and move it along.
I am not sharing my hot dogs.
Move along. Move along, everyone. Measly soldiers, sir.
Put them in the chamber. No.
Oh,
I'll take this to the truck.
Are you coming, sir?
Stop wasting time. Let's move it. Come on, faster.
Heads up, sir. Hey, look at the kid.
Don't
Get the little
hit
dog.
Ruffy.
You fool! He's getting away.
Ruffy, come back here. Come back here, Ruffy. Hey, Ruffy, come back here. Come back here. Don't get in there. Oh, Ruffy.
Heave,
Ho,
heave,
ho,
ho,